Okay, Professor Houben, thank you very much for having time to be interviewed. Could you please introduce yourself and tell us more about how your research is related to Crossroads Asia?
Okay. My name is Vincent Houben and I've been a professor at Humboldt University since 2001. I'm an expert on Southeast Asia. I was trained as a historian, but I evolved over time into an area specialist. My relation to Crossroads Asia is that I'm very much interested in a theory of area studies, and there were some good contributions, good debates within this network. So I decided to join the discussion, and there will be a final book coming out by the end of this year, and I also wrote a chapter in that book.
Thank you. And you have also written about new area studies. Could you please elaborate more on this?
Yes, this is part of a bit of a debate because there are some scientists who think that we should now live in the era of post-area studies, so that actually area studies as such should be dropped. So the area is dropped from the agenda. I'm of a bit of a different opinion. I think we need to redefine what area actually is and make it a much more flexible concept that is much more concerned with relational scales, and so the connections between global, transregional and local phenomena. But in area studies, I think it's still important to have experts on a particular location. So I want to start this new area studies from a place where concrete people live and they speak local languages, and I think the researchers should learn these languages and then indeed, as is done in Crossroads Asia paradigm, follow the people, so to speak, and see how they interrelate with higher level scales such as regions or even global phenomena.
Thank you very much. And perhaps the previous question is related to the coming one. How do you envision the future of area studies, considering the name of the conference also?
Yes, well, I think there is a great potential for area studies. It is a bit of a irony that we are living in times of crisis. That means that developments that occur outside of Europe are affecting Europe and Germany in particular in a direct manner. And this drives the message home that what we lack in Germany is experts on these non-European regions. In earlier days, what these experts on Orientalist countries did was not of no direct concern to the politicians and the companies in Germany, or the society for that matter, and now it's of great relevance. So I think the area studies, the American version of area studies started in the Cold War. There was also a political agenda behind it. I think there's a new political agenda emerging for area studies, but in a different manner. So how to deal with the challenges of globalization, with conflicts that begin elsewhere, but of which the effects are felt locally, that means within Germany, and that makes area studies very relevant for the future.
Thank you very much.
Okay.